Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the tutorial how to connect the smartwatch Aolon watch curve with your cell phone. So in the first step we need to download the apps to connect this smartwatch with the cell phone. So actually you just have to scan this QR code to download the needed apps. You can open the Google like this and you can tap on QR scanner and you can scan the code like this. And you can tap on install this app. But if you do not have this box, you can scan the code on the smartwatch. You can scroll down like this, and then you can tap on setting and scroll up until you find about. Until you find about, you can tap on it, and you can tap on apps download. And next you can tap the install, and then you can open the David apps. Next, tap on agree and continue like this, and I just wanna select this option on values in this app. Tap on allow and enable the location. And you can select the device, tap on it, you can see the connecting icon, and now the icon is connected. And you can tap on pair like this, and now you can select the any watch face. What do you want? You can tap on it. Face gallery, you can select any face gallery. You can download. And for example, I want to download this face gallery. You can tap on apply, waiting to download. You can see. Okay, like this. And in this smartwatch will automatically change it. And in this option you can setting any feature like notification, find device, alarm, shutter, e-code, and you can tap on other. Okay, just like this, the tutorial how to connect the smartwatch, Aolon smartwatch with your phone. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.